Imagine turning your digital creations into a steady stream of passive income. That painting you just finished, the killer beat you produced, or even that online course you've been dreaming of, they could all be making you money while you sleep. Have you ever wondered how some creators seem to earn money while they sleep? It's like having a money-making machine working 24/7. Even when you're catching some Z's or, finally getting around to watching that movie everyone's been talking about. What if I told you that you could do the same with just a few clicks? In this video, I'm diving deep into the top 5 digital platforms that can turn your passion into a passive income powerhouse. First up, we've got Gumroad, and let me tell you, this platform is a game changer. Imagine a digital supermarket where you can sell anything: eBooks, music, design templates, software, you name it. Gumroad has you covered. And the best part? Setting up shop is ridiculously easy. Seriously, it's like easier than convincing my dog to go for a walk in the rain. Gumroad's interface is so user-friendly, even your grandma could probably figure it out. They've got all these built-in tools to help you market your products, track your sales, and even build a loyal customer base. And because Gumroad is all about empowering creators, they take a super reasonable cut of your earnings. Plus, they handle all the complicated stuff like payment processing and delivery, so you can focus on what you do best, creating awesome stuff. But wait, there's more. Gumroad isn't just a platform, it's a thriving community of creators. You can connect with like-minded individuals, share tips, and even collaborate on projects. There are countless success stories of creators who started small and grew their businesses exponentially using Gumroad. It's inspiring to see how people have turned their passions into profitable ventures. Another fantastic feature is the ability to customize your storefront. You can make it look exactly how you want, reflecting your brand's unique personality and style. And let's not forget the analytics dashboard. It provides you with detailed insights into your sales performance, customer behavior, and more. This data is invaluable for making informed decisions and optimizing your strategies. If you ever run into any issues, Gumroad's customer support is top-notch. They're always ready to help you out and ensure that your experience is as smooth as possible. Gumroad also offers a global reach, allowing you to sell your products to customers all around the world. This opens up a whole new market for your creations. And did I mention that the platform is mobile-friendly? You can manage your store, track your sales, and engage with your customers right from your smartphone or tablet. Gumroad is constantly evolving, with regular updates and new features being added to enhance your experience. They're always looking for ways to make the platform better for creators. Just take a look at the testimonials from happy users. People love how easy it is to use Gumroad and how it has helped them achieve their goals. In short, Gumroad is committed to helping creators succeed. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your business to the next level, Gumroad has the tools and support you need. So why wait? Join the Gumroad community today and start turning your creative ideas into reality. The possibilities are endless. Next, we're heading over to Etsy, the ultimate online marketplace for all things handmade, vintage, and unique. Whether you're a seasoned artisan or just starting out, Etsy provides a platform where your creativity can truly shine. If you're an artist, crafter, or maker of any kind, Etsy is your jam. It's a place where your passion for creating can turn into a profitable venture. Imagine turning your hobby into a thriving business, reaching customers from all corners of the globe. It's like a giant craft fair, but instead of lugging your creations around in a rickety old wagon, you've got a global audience at your fingertips. No more setting up booths or dealing with unpredictable weather. Your online store is open 24/7, allowing you to make sales even while you sleep. Etsy's got this awesome community vibe, with millions of buyers actively searching for one-of-a-kind treasures. These are people who appreciate the time, effort, and love that goes into handmade items. They're looking for something special, something that stands out from the mass-produced products found in big box stores. And because Etsy is all about supporting independent creators, you won't find any mass-produced junk here, just pure, unadulterated creativity. This means your unique creations won't get lost in a sea of generic products. Instead, they'll be showcased in a space that values originality and craftsmanship. They've got all these specialized tools to help you showcase your products, manage your inventory, and connect with potential customers. From detailed analytics to marketing tools, Etsy provides everything you need to grow your business. You can track your sales, see which items are most popular, and even get insights into customer behavior. And their payment system is super secure, so you can rest assured that your hard-earned cash is safe and sound. Etsy handles all the transactions, ensuring that both buyers and sellers have a smooth and secure experience. Plus, with their customer support, you're never alone in your journey to financial freedom. One of the best parts about selling on Etsy is the personal touch you can add to each order. From custom packaging to handwritten thank you notes, these small details can make a big difference in customer satisfaction and loyalty. Happy customers are more likely to leave positive reviews and recommend your shop to others. Engaging with your customers is also key. Etsy's platform makes it easy to communicate with buyers, answer their questions, and build relationships. This interaction not only helps in making sales, but also in creating a loyal customer base that will return to your shop time and again. Etsy also offers a wealth of resources to help you succeed. From virtual workshops and webinars to community forums, there's always something new to learn. These resources can provide valuable tips and strategies to enhance your business, from improving your product listings to mastering social media marketing. So if you're ready to take your crafting skills to the next level and achieve financial freedom, Etsy is the place to be. With its supportive community, powerful tools, and endless opportunities, you can turn your passion into a profitable business. Start your Etsy journey today and watch your creative dreams come to life. Next, if you're serious about building a full-blown online empire, Shopify is the platform for you. Think of it as the ultimate e-commerce platform, where you can create your own online store and sell pretty much anything under the sun. Shopify's got your back, whether you're selling physical products, digital downloads, or even services. They've got a massive library of professionally designed templates to choose from, so you can create a store that's as unique as your brand. And if you're not exactly a tech whiz, don't sweat it. Shopify's drag-and-drop interface makes it super easy to customize your store, add products, and manage your orders. Plus, they've got a whole team of experts available 24/7 to help you with any questions or technical difficulties. Alright, let's talk BigCommerce, the platform that's all about helping you scale your business to the moon and beyond. Whether you're a small business owner just starting out or a seasoned entrepreneur looking to expand, BigCommerce has the tools and features to support your growth. If you're already generating a decent amount of sales and you're ready to take things to the next level, BigCommerce offers a suite of advanced features designed to help you maximize your potential. From customizable templates to powerful analytics, you'll have everything you need to optimize your online store. BigCommerce is definitely worth checking out. It's not just about selling products, it's about creating an entire ecosystem that supports your business goals. With BigCommerce, you can expand your reach, attract more customers, and increase your revenue. One of the things that sets BigCommerce apart is its seamless integration with a ton of other tools and services. This means you can easily connect your online store with the software and platforms you already use, making your operations more efficient and streamlined. We're talking email marketing platforms, accounting software, and customer relationship management systems. These integrations allow you to automate your marketing campaigns, manage your finances, and keep track of your customer interactions all in one place. Inventory management systems, you name it, BigCommerce probably integrates with it. This ensures that your inventory is always up to date, reducing the risk of overselling and keeping your customers happy. BigCommerce probably integrates with it. The platform's flexibility means you can tailor your online store to meet your specific needs, whether you're selling physical products, digital downloads, or services. This means you can automate a lot of your business processes, from order fulfillment to customer service. Automation not only saves you time but also reduces the likelihood of human error, ensuring a smoother operation, and free up more time to focus on what you do best. Whether that's developing new products, marketing your brand, or engaging with your customers, BigCommerce gives you the freedom to concentrate on growing your business. And because BigCommerce is built for high-volume sales, you can rest assured that your store can handle even the busiest of shopping sprees. The platform is designed to scale with your business, so you never have to worry about outgrowing it. You can rest assured that your store can handle even the busiest of shopping sprees. With robust security features and reliable performance, BigCommerce ensures that your online store is always up and running, providing a seamless shopping experience for your customers. Plus, BigCommerce offers excellent customer support, so you're never alone on your journey. Whether you need help with setup, customization, or troubleshooting, their team is there to assist you every step of the way. Many successful businesses have already made the switch to BigCommerce and have seen incredible results. By leveraging the platform's powerful features and integrations, they've been able to grow their sales, expand their reach, and achieve their business goals. So, if you're looking for a platform that can grow with you and support your business at every stage, BigCommerce is the powerhouse platform for scalability. It's time to take your business to new heights with BigCommerce. Last but not least, we've got Patreon, the platform that's revolutionizing the way creators connect with their most loyal fans. If you're creating amazing content, whether it's videos, music, podcasts, or anything in between, Patreon allows your fans to become your patrons. It's like a subscription service for your creativity, where your fans can support your work directly and get exclusive perks in return. Patreon is all about building a community around your work. It's a place where you can connect with your most passionate fans, offer them behind-the-scenes access, and even collaborate on new projects. And because Patreon handles all the payment processing and subscription management, you can focus on what you do best, creating awesome content that your patrons will love. So there you have it, 5 incredible platforms that can help you unlock the power of passive income. Whether you're just starting out, or you're already a seasoned pro, there's a platform out there that's perfect for you. Remember, building a successful online business takes time, effort, and a whole lot of hustle. But with the right tools and a little bit of creativity, you can turn your passion into a sustainable source of income. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights and drop your thoughts below. Have you used any of these platforms? Share your experiences.